Guys, Ryan here, and welcome back to the studio. It's good to have you here. And guys, if you're looking to sell on Amazon, one thing you definitely do need to get is what we call business cards. All right, this is a company that I use. You probably recognize it, Vistaprint. I think it's like 250 business cards for $10. Now, if you want to be taken seriously, all right, if you're looking to sell on Amazon and you want to be taken seriously, you need business cards. You need to show that you're already in business. So let's say, for example, you chose your product. Let's say, for example, you chose the baby product niche, and you're doing, baby bowls, for instance, right? And you jump on Alibaba and you find a few suppliers on Alibaba for baby bowls, and you go, great, awesome. You contact them, right? Now, every guy and his dog, or every lady and her dog, are contacting Alibaba saying, guys, give me the best price. I want to buy this, what's your MOQ, what's the minimum price per unit, that kind of stuff, right? Now, to be taken seriously, you need to show that you're already, you kind of have to fake it till you make it and show that you're already in business to get the best price, and for them to actually reply to you and take you seriously, right? So have a business card, actually have business cards, and have the image, right, on your email to them. Have your image in the footer or in the signature file, because it makes a huge difference for them giving you the best price up front, all right? So no one has any excuses not to get this. Guys, get it. Vista, I think there's some special promo always happening, it's $10 or whatever, but get business cards. And if you're jumping on pet toys, have it say, Pets Wholesale Pty Ltd, or if you're jumping on baby products, say, the babyimportstore.com, or something like that, but put something on there related to that, like Australia's #1 or fastest growing baby store, that kind of stuff, right? Because it does get you a better price from these Chinese suppliers. They want to deal with people who are already doing well, sure, they'll help people who aren't doing well, who are just starting up, but you get the best price when you connect with them and they look at you. They got your business card, maybe you have a domain or something, you have it up and running, but they'll give you the best price when you actually have something established, all right? So guys, hope you use that tip wisely. Thank you for joining me. If you're looking to start on Amazon, please connect with me. Please like, share, and comment on this video, and check out our website. We've got a free video program on our website on how to find the hottest and winning products on Amazon, how to source the best suppliers, and how to launch your very own branded product on Amazon. So check us out, guys. My name's Alex Ryan. Have an awesome day, and to your Amazon success. Bye-bye for now.